Hey, this is Jerry with Bensburg. I've prepared a proposal for you guys at Sugar Hill Church. Um, we've got is here to show you. So we've got the HX7 that we discussed in the bid for the primary speaker system. That HX7 is one of the premier high intelligibility speakers on the market for churches. It's a very wide dispersion, very good with speech intelligibility, uh, and nice even wash of high frequencies because of its design. It also allows us to modify it so that there's the same sound basically from the front to the back without it getting much louder as you get closer to it, and a lot of nice features like that. The next thing that we did to kind of fill in the blanks, we've got a couple of the F1300s, which is a 5-inch two-way speaker for those areas between. Let me get there. Let's see. For those areas, here we go. For the areas that are over in here, so that HX7 installed front and center is going to give us coverage 138 degrees horizontal coverage, which is going to cut off about right here. So for this area right here, we're going to install a couple little 5-inch speakers just to wash those areas and get good even coverage all the way across. And so that'll make a big difference. And then the next thing that we did is the Yamaha TF5 console. You know, originally we were discussing the Allen and Heath, which we would love to do, but the Yamaha TF5 is a great, simple console, very easy to operate, very good sound quality, and that combined with the 16-channel digital stage box that we've got in there, that's going to make a huge difference in sound quality as well, but also functionality, and really expand the capabilities of the system for live streaming and iPad control and scenes and all of that kind of thing. So let me get this out of here. All right, and so the next thing we've got down here is we've got all the stuff that goes with the console, including we've got a short 16-channel snake to get audio from the existing stage boxes over to the amp rack instead of going back to the sound booth, to the old console, and that will allow us to tie our digital snake in to our stage boxes. We did include an all-in-one media player. Now, the request was Bluetooth connectivity, and but the Marantz PMD 526C, or if that's not available, we'll go with the Denon DN300Z. Those are SD, CD, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth players all in one rack space. So basically, everything in the rack here is going away except for the sequencing, power sequencing down here, the the wireless microphones here, and then all we can replace anything having to do with playback, media playback, we can replace with this one unit, and then and then we've got the all of the outboard equipment, which is basically part of the digital mixer. So, all right. So the next thing that we've got here is the Listen Technologies 4-channel assistive listening system, which is a digital system with 4 receivers, and then they come with little earbuds, and so what people typically prefer is the ear speaker, which just kind of it's got a little thing that hangs over your ear and kind of rests on the outside, so it's compatible with hearing devices, hearing aids, and things like that. We've got our 1 to 2 HDMI distribution amplifier by Kramer that's going to send our fiber optic cables to our projectors, which we're going to pull from the other facility and incorporate. We got our materials. Dots Rentals there in Texarkana is giving us a really good deal on a lift that's going to shave off. That did, by doing the lift, we actually were able to shave off some of our on-site labor charge, and because it's really going to speed things up, and so it's definitely the more efficient, economical way of getting this done. And you can see before tax we got below 15, but darn you sales tax, we busted it. So we're at 16,497.46, and unless we give up something that's $1,400, that's where we're at. So we did get it down from about 18,000. We shaved here and there, replaced the Allen Heath console with the Allen Heath console with the Yamaha, which shaved quite a bit off, along with the stage box, and everything was more expensive for Allen Heath. And so by reducing here and reducing there, we were able to get it to there, and that's about where we're going to have to live. We even, the way that we were running things to the projectors, we found a more efficient way of getting that done. But in the end, that's where we're going to be. And so I apologize. I was really shooting for the 15,000, but after tax. So that's where we're at. If we forgot anything, or if there's anything that we've overlooked or that we need to change, just let us know. If you go with our proposal, we are 50% deposit. So 50% deposit begins the process of allocation and ordering, and as soon as everything is in stock, then we set up the best time. We want to block off a week entirely, starting on a Monday typically, give us the greatest distance between Sundays. And and then as soon as we're complete, we provide on-site training as well as video training sent via YouTube link. And then the remaining 50% is due at that time. So if you have any questions, anything, just give us a call, 870-814-0714, or you can get in contact with me at jerry@bensberg.tech. All right, thank you guys for the opportunity to bid on this. We hope to hear from you soon.